number 3.
My turn.
Oh, hey, look at that bending. Hey, oh, is that? There was another one next to him. Like, where are you going?
That's your fish.
Doubled up.
Bro,
Stripers all today.
Now look what you did. Oh, hello.
We're still here.
Hey, guy. How's it hanging? Oh yeah, that's the mouth. That's the mouth hook you're looking for. That's the mouth hook I was looking for to hold. Hey, easy, man. You just destroyed my worm. Now I could have kept fishing with that. He's like, oh no, that's why I fucking destroyed it. Oh, he's so healthy and young. Look.
Another one too.
Oh yeah. You're so healthy and young. Look.
They are. That's like, I don't even know how many. 5, 6.
Well, I don't know. But hold yours up next to mine. You know what I mean?
Doubling up again. Doubling up twice. Maybe we'll quadruple up with these catfish out there if there are any.
I know, I never even got a hot dog on my other line, dude. You know what I mean? I never even put another hot dog on it.
They're well seasoned too. Something, well, actually I could probably turn earlier. I'll take back what I was about to say.
Something moving it, definitely swimming with it. Dude, I definitely thought something was swimming with it the first time it was moving. Hey, I found my chunk of worm.
Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's right when I looked away.
Bam, gotcha. Quit when you ain't looking. Bam! Oh, he got me anyways, guys.
Oh, chill out, brother. It's okay. You're going back in. Spin moves. This one's a tiny dancer. Tiny dancer. He used his little fish tongue and licked my thumb just now. This one's a freak. Can't wait to get him out of my hand. Get out of here, you freak.
They're reeling a nice fucking bass. And you're like, oh shit.
I'm like counting on it now.
Look at you. You just got the spot, don't you?
What? Another one right in the
No
middle
way.
of the
Fucking missed him, bro. We could have doubled up again.
Oh, right in the middle of the bottom lip. Backwards 360. I got a limbo.
Sorry. He ran to the left. I had to pull to the right. Oh.
I saw the bite and I looked over. Saw the pull coming.
Matrix that motherfucker, huh?
We scared them off.
Nope. Didn't scare them off. Nope. So this is going to be my tail then right here. See, they're right over here.
Well, this one's the biggest one I caught so far today. I topped it again.
Nice.
I don't even know how many bass I've caught today.
Yeah, they're not hitting on that one. Not happening.
Good thing you didn't shake on that blunt deal about me catching the first bass today.
Yeah, right? Yeah. I'll be owing you.
Almost got me with the splashback. Nice try.
Bite marks
Bite marks?
from turtles. Something running from a gar. You know what I mean? Like a gar come after him and look at you, motherfucker. I'm gonna shut up so you can catch fish. Fucking hey! Look at that little haul.
A little beastly. Hey, you still got that tape measure?
Yeah, you know where it's at, right? Where's it at?
This one does look like a little bit of a hog sandwich.
I got that tape measure free from my workplace.
A little too small. He's a lucky guy. I should put a hot dog in his mouth. Nah, he might die from that or something. Oh yeah, get him, Chris. Ooh, where's he running to? What the fuck? Hey, yo!
Oh yeah. Hi, buddy. And why do you want to pull them in from farther? That's where they're hanging out at.
Tried to run back away. Yeah, 25 minutes of good fishing on this video. Oh.